Do you want to know how to make one of the best desserts ever in your home? If you do, watch this quick video to learn how to make this simple but easy recipe. This week we are making fried bananas. All you need is bananas, butter or cooking oil, sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg if you want. Firstly, you need to simply cut the bananas into thin pieces. Always remember to cut carefully and don't always try to cut fast. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar in a small bowl. Collect 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and put it in the same bowl. Mix the sugar and cinnamon thoroughly with a small spoon. Collect your butter or cooking oil and spread it around a pan. Dump your bananas on the pan. Spread apart the bananas. Okay, time to start cooking. Let the bananas sit for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, sprinkle around half of your cinnamon on the bananas. Mix your bananas around the pan, then continue for another 2 to 3 minutes cooking. Once it has been 2 to 3 minutes again, pour the rest of your cinnamon and sugar on the bananas while on the pan, then if you would like, mix it again. After 1 to 2 minutes, it should be done. You are almost done. Finally, for a little extra flavor, add some nutmeg to your meal if you would like. Enjoy your meal. 10 out of 10. Delicious. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hit that bell. Write in the comments what you think of the video. I work really hard on these videos, so please let me know what I should do in the future. Thank you for watching to the end, and goodbye.